A woman charged with murdering Ranella pensioner Vonne McGlynn has told the Supreme Court she's not responsible for the death. She admitted lying to police and trying to financially benefit from the pensioner's death, but says an ex-boyfriend killed her.
Angelica Guevara took the witness stand for the first time in her trial to deny she was a murderer. Parts of Vonne McGlynn's dismembered body were found in a Christie Downs creek opposite Guevara's house in early 2009. Guevara has admitted forging power of attorney documents to try to access the pensioner's bank account a few days after her disappearance. Guevara has testified that an ex-boyfriend, Giuseppe Danieli, killed Ms McGlynn in a car accident and forced Guevara to help him cover up the evidence. She said Mr Danieli forced her to help him move the pensioner's body into Ms McGlynn's backyard and made her take items from the house to make it look like a robbery. Those items, including the pensioner's passports, keys and personal documents, had been seized by police from Guevara's house. Mr Danieli laughed at defence allegations of his involvement when cross-examined this week, saying Guevara was a compulsive liar who he hadn't seen in years. He also gave an alibi that he was at his nephew's party some 30 kilometres away at the time it's alleged Ms McGlynn was killed. Guevara admitted on the stand that she had repeatedly lied to police about Ms McGlynn's disappearance and that she had acted fraudulently. "It occurred to me that it was possible that I could use the situation for my profit. I lied because I felt that since I started lying I could not stop lying and I had to continue with a story I made up." The Director of Public Prosecutions, Stephen Polaris, cross-examined Guevara and suggested she found lying easy and was making up yet another story.
Guevara took long pauses at times during her evidence and sometimes used the help of a Latvian interpreter. She denied suggestions from Mr Polaris that she was lying about her former boyfriend's involvement because her original story to police won't stand up and that implicating the man may stop him winning a custody battle over her children.
Guevara's evidence continues tomorrow. Candice Marcus, ABC News, Adelaide.